Yes, Mr. Sarthak. A part.
So it will be number 3 n plus 15.
B part.
N minus 15. Sorry, 15 minus n.
I subtract 15. I think of a number n and I subtract 15. Yeah.
So actually, I subtract the number from 15 is also
Yeah. See, I think of a number n and add 15. So it will be n plus 15. This is correct. I think of a number
Yes.
n and I subtract 15. Now this 15 is subtracted from n. So it will be n minus 15.
N minus 15.
Sarthak, is it correct? I think of a number n and I multiply by 15. Sarthak, what will be the answer?
15n.
D part.
So n upon 15.
Mr. Ariman, E part.
It would be 15 minus n.
See, I think of a number n and I subtract the number from 15. From 15, I subtract n. So it will be 15 minus n. Mr. Ariman, F part.
3n plus 5.
Shabash. Mr. Sarthak, G part.
Uh, 5n minus 3.
Mr. Ariman, H part.
N upon 5 minus 3.
Great. Good job.
I mean plus 3.
Great.